corporation rule everything from law, media, and even municipal acting. So the main protagonist's mission is to
kulang na lang ako ng 9 units. Sana matapos. Ayun. And also yun nga, nag-graduate ako during the pandemic. So, actually that time, hirap maghanap ng trabaho. Diba? Kasi freeze hiring yung mga companies. So, next, syempre, I'm also doing volunteer work sa The Feast. So, it's a Light of Jesus family. So, it's a Catholic community. So, part ako ng Awesome Kids. So, yan yung mga bata. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so yung
So before we begin our lesson,
pag-usapan natin ito. So, sana magkaroon kayo ng magandang landing. No? I hope, no? I pray na lahat kayo ay may safe landing.
actually tatanong nga sila, minsan nagtatanong sila, sir, magkano sahod? Paulit-ulit sa comment section. Magkano sahod? Diba?
On behalf of the entire group, ICS Airline, this is your flight attendant, Mr. Galan Gomez.
Together with your co-pilot, Mr. Vladimir Mirana, thank you for flying with us today.
We hope this journey has inspired you to dream bigger, fly higher, and land safely.
Of October 2025 at the IT Function, Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig Campus, Metro Manila, Philippines, signed by Engineer Rex Mel and Become. So before we begin our lesson,
Pag-usapan natin ito. So, sana magkaroon kayo ng magandang landing. No? I hope, no? I pray na lahat kayo ay may safe landing. Wherein